Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this nice sunrise alarm clock. This is a great wake up light for kids. It will start to glow and change colors within 10-16 minutes before the wake up time you choose. The color will gradually change from red at sunrise to bright yellow with a soft light and simulating morning sounds, which will help you to wake up gradually. It is multifunctional alarm clock with FM radio, with the sounds, 6 natural sounds. You can adjust the volume from here. Also, it is designed with the 8 light colors, which you can change them from here. In the back, you're gonna have the output and you can charge the phone at the night. Here you can dim the brightness. It comes in this nice and pretty box and can be a really nice gift for your friend for any kind of occasion. Comes with a clear instruction and you can easily use this sunrise alarm clock. I do like the design. It have this modern design and can fit for any kind of room. I do like the quality. So if you're looking for any kind of great sunrise alarm clock, so you should definitely get this one. Thank you.